The last question for this episode reads, when we sign into a Microsoft account, right? Actually, when do we need to pay? When you buy a laptop or a pre-built desktop PC, the price also covers the cost of Windows. It is then activated by the manufacturer during the installation process. That is why when you turn on a brand new laptop or pre-built desktop PC, Windows is already installed and all you need to do is set it up. There is no additional payment required to use Windows. However, if you are going to build and set up a custom desktop PC, then you will need to purchase and activate Windows yourself. Windows sells a copy of Windows 11 Home for 919 ringgit, but you can get it cheaper from resellers. I bought mine for around 550 ringgit, though you can get it for cheaper if you shop around online. You will receive a license key which you will need to key in when prompted during the installation process. Moreover, starting with Windows 7, 8 and 8.1, Microsoft has offered a free upgrade to the next version of Windows for a limited time, which means upgrading to Windows 10 from Windows 7, 8 or 8.1 was free for a limited time, and upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 was free as well for a limited time. That said, you should also know that you can use Windows 10 and Windows 11 for free without purchasing a license key. Just skip the activation stage during the installation process and Windows will still proceed with the installation. But there are some restrictions. Firstly, a permanent watermark will be displayed in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, reminding you that Windows is not activated. Additionally, you will receive frequent notifications to activate Windows. Customization options will be restricted and the wallpaper will be set to black. Lastly, you will not receive updates for security patches, services, first-party apps, features and drivers.